how to make this drone shot for free using one static image and one prompt. First, we open any software editing for images and we draw a red line like this one. Now we go to Google Flow and put this image as a reference and we put this prompt. We click on send. Now we click on approve, and after some processing we have this amazing video. Note that the prompt and the site will be in the description below. And as always, if you like my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe for my channel for more useful videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. See ya.